Install premium Super Widgets on Xiaomi devices. Those widgets work with home screen and app drawer. Many animated clock widgets. You can edit widget style. Edit Dynamic Island widget. Open Settings, About Phone, Backup and Restore features. Uncheck all. Only select System Launcher data for backup. With devices running HyperOS 2.2 and above, you must extract zip file data. MIUI. Backup. All backup. Soft by time modify and reverse. Extract latest backup zip file. Delete zip file after that. You got folder backup here. This is your system launcher backup file. You can copy to another place saving it. Example, I create new folder and saving it. This for you can return default later. Next, you need my backup file includes Super Widgets, file and video description. After downloaded, copy or more file to the path. MIUI. Backup. All backup. Open latest folder. Move file into here, then replace it. Now return backup and restore features. Restore tab. Select latest backup data to restore. At this point, nothing in my home screen. Restore backup. Now you can see new Super Widgets. Press and hold to edit widget style. Multi-tab. Edit clock widget style. You can remove widgets if you want. If you want, return to default system launcher. Move your backup system launcher to the path. MIUI. Backup. All backup. Replace again. Go to Backup and Restore Features. Restore your default system launcher. Done. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.